In this video, we'll be installing the Orico 10-port USB 3.0 hub. We'll start by plugging in the lower half of the power cable. Attach the power cable to the adapter. The power indicator light illuminates. Plug the cable coming from the adapter into the DC port on the USB hub. Follow that by plugging in the USB 3.0 cable into the USB hub. Connect the other end of the USB 3.0 cable to your computer. Now you can power on the hub and then connect your devices. I hope you liked the video. Please check the description for links and info. Have a blessed day.